So right now I'm on my way to meet up with Scott. We're going to meet up at the library over here. And then me and him are going to ride to the gas station to meet up with our other buddy, Matthew. And I think they're both going to be on the cruisers today. So I don't know if we're just going to go just like cruise around the city or if they're going to try to hit some stunts. I have no clue. But either way, should be a good day. We're gonna go ride. So we got a Yamaha Bolt up there, Harley Davidson, whatever it is, Sportster. It's an 883, and that's a Road King back there.
Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip. Pull up and I'm loading the clip. New bitch, yeah, stay on my hip. Niggas talking, they not with this shit. Catch a body, you might just get hit. But lately been all about drip. New designer, just look at the fit. And I just blew a bag on my bitch. You got clout, but you don't got the drip. You get money, that's some type of myth. I can blind you, bitch, look at the wrist. For that bag and I might take a risk. Don't get crossed cause you care about a bitch. Pass the Henny, I'm tryna get lit. Tryna get out my body and shit. Fuck around and start bodying shit. Remember nights you was starving and shit. You my brother, I got you, that's it. We can never fall out by the bitch. We was swimming with sharks and them fish. In the field with them lions and pitch. Sweaty niggas be lying and shit. Talking money, don't buy their own shit. Baby mothers be buying them shit. You not lit, you depend on the bitch. Swear to God, man, I'm clever as shit. Still get trapped any weather I'm in. Don't mean working, I'm making it flip. What a whipping, you might just get sick. Don't mean extra, you know we gon' win. Getting money, I've been doing this. Since a youngin', I've been had to drip. Make a movie, not talking a clip. It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll up dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick. She wanna catch all of the drip, drip, drip.
Whoa, 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 Jesus, fuck. Woo! Okay, that was bad. That scared the shit out of me.
Thanks for not killing me.
I tried my best not to. I was like, fuck. Holy fuck.
Trails today.
What happened?
We could
probably bend it back.
Yeah, I'm done with the trails though. It's too slippery.
Yeah, that'd be kind of a bitch to bend back.
I was dealing with self-doubt. All my life I've been the fucking underdog. Used to wonder how these niggas got it all. I was getting one play a day, now I got a couple thousand on my catalog. See through your niggas know
Are you that good?
School of motherfuckers, you a class clown. You was talking shit, where you at now? Everybody play the tough guy till it's man down. Dancing with the devil, you see what's in the function. Ain't nobody having options, see more tears than the onion. I was falling with no traction, probably died with the shit. Probably come and get the bus. Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some that'll burn. They keep talking down like, well, when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like to trust, it's hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now.